Sentian's live and archive video playback features keep you in touch with your property at all times. The home screen of your Sentian app is focused on visual oversight, providing real-time images of all the cameras installed at your property at once. At any moment, you can visually monitor who is coming or going, who is on the property, and areas important to you. Tap on a camera image and you will open up a dedicated view of the camera you are interested in, optimized for your connection speed. Our real-time images mean no latency associated with standard video streaming, so you can open a gate and visually verify if it opened. You can see any devices linked to that camera view below, available for you to control. Now you can interact with your home and see the results live. If you had forgotten to switch off your driveway light, you can do so at the tap of a button. Tap on the Local Archive tab to access and playback video footage recorded to the local Sentian drive. Explore the footage by jumping to the right day, drag the timeline to the relevant time, search by going back and forth a minute at a time, or by jumping through any events triggered by your alarm sensors linked to that camera view. It becomes very easy to figure out if John, your house sitter, fed the dog on time. If you want to keep any footage for posterity or evidence, you can instantly make a recording by tapping the record button and simply watching the event. Press stop when you are done, give your recording a name, and tap the Save Recording button. Your video clip will be saved to the cloud archive and can be accessed at any point. In addition to any self-generated video recordings, all event-driven video notifications linked to this camera view can also be accessed in the Cloud Archive tab. With Sentian, you can be there, even when you aren't. Sentian. Connect, detect, and protect.